Imagine if you could type just one sentence and within 60 seconds a completely new human voice is created. No actor, no recording, no boring AI voice, and a voice that has never been used before. Today I am going to show you a AI tool that literally creates voices from scratch. It's called AI Talker. If you create YouTube videos, ads, reels, or do affiliate marketing, you already know everyone is using the same AI voices. Voice actors are so expensive. Recording takes a lot of time, and the biggest problem people instantly recognize it's AI and they skip. AI Talker claimed that this problem is finally solved. This is not a normal text to speech tool. It's a voice design AI. I mean, you describe the voice you want and it creates it from zero. Let's see how it actually works. So first, AI voice creation, describe it, hear it, on it. Type age, accent, tone, personality. In plain English, AI Talker build that exact voice from scratch. Every voice is 100% unique. Emotion engine, same script, completely different impact. Type any emotion, confident, urgent, excited. Dial intensity from subtle to powerful. One script become 10 different deliveries. Brand voice studio, paste a URL, get your brand voice. Drop any website URL, AI Talker analyze your brand, tone and messaging. This create matched script and voiceover automatically. Multi speaker system, create real conversion, multiple voices, build realistic dialogues with multiple unique voices, assign a different voice to each speaker, unlimited speakers, one dashboard. Scene mode, auto adapt to your content type. AI auto adjust tone, pacing and energy based on what you are creating. Sales, podcast, story, news, always natural and professional. And voice cloning, clone, score, generate studio quality. Clone any voice with built-in quality scoring, previewing quality before generating studio level output every single time. So guys, here is the some demo video, so you can see it.
That deep, cracked, thundering voice. I, AI Talker, built to this voice. Deep, smooth, ancient. No human spoke
This power. This voice was not recorded in a studio. It was designed at AI Talker from a single prompt. One line of text and it sounds like this. Absolutely unbelievable. Listen to this energy, this power.
So you already see the results. Now let's quickly go through some powerful features. Unique voice creation, every voice is different, so your content stands out. The second, emotion engine, turn one script into multiple style, perfect for ads and storytelling. Okay, and okay, so third, brand voice AI, paste a website, AI matches the brand tone automatically. 30 plus languages, reach the global audience, English, Hindi, Spanish and more. You can get commercial license. This is the big one. You can sell voiceovers on Fiverr, Upwork or to clients. So now let's talk about making money through this AI tool. So you can easily charge 100 to $500 for a voiceover, any project. Ad voiceovers right now in demand, so you can charge well. YouTube automation, scale fast from this AI tool. And if this tool is fast, you can handle multiple clients in a single day. So you can make lots of money through this AI tool. So this is my honest review, but here is something important. This is a new launch, so I recommend you watch the live demo first. That's where you will see the real performance. If you want to check this out, I have added the link in the description. You can join the free webinar. There you will see real time voice creation in action. And yes, people who attend the webinar get the lowest launch price. After that, the price will increase. If you are into YouTube, affiliate marketing or freelancing, this tool could be a game changer for you. Check the link in the description before the price goes up. And if you decide to get it through my link, I'm also giving you some exclusive bonus, step-by-step guide to get your first voiceover client. Okay, and YouTube automation setup blueprint, ready to use script for ads and reels. So you are not just buying a tool, you are getting a complete system to make money with it. Okay, so this channel is for people who want to use AI to actually earn. If that's you, hit subscribe and join us.